Well, all week we have been breaking down the policies of the two front-running presidential candidates to give you a better comparison.
Hillary Clinton and Donald Trump both point to tax changes as helping the economy. Local 12's Paula Toti joins us now with a look at the two plans. Paula.
Rob, I'm going to give you the highlights from the candidates' websites, but also an analysis of the numbers from the Tax Foundation, a nonpartisan tax policy research organization, and some of my own quick math. Hillary Clinton says on her website she wants tax fairness. She says she will make sure the wealthiest Americans don't pay a lower rate than middle-class families. She says she will cut taxes for small businesses. She will offer tax relief for families with excessive costs for health care and caring for an ill or elderly family member. Donald Trump says on his website he wants middle-class tax relief. He says he'll do that through tax reduction and simplification. He says a middle-class family with 2 children will get a 35% tax cut, but there is not a definition of middle class. Hillary Clinton says no family making under $250,000 a year will get a tax increase. At taxfoundation.org, you can find an analysis of each tax plan. The organization says under Trump, income tax and corporate tax will go down and estate taxes eliminated. Under Clinton, income tax will rise for individuals, but tax would be cut for lower and middle-class families with the expansion of child tax credits. And business taxation would be reformed. The group says Trump's plan would reduce federal tax revenue by $4.4 trillion over a decade, and Clinton's would increase revenue by $1.4 trillion. Trump's plan would lead to higher wages of 0.8% of all workers, but of at least 10% for the top 1% of earners. Clinton's plan would reduce income for the top 1% by 6.6% and other groups by 0.1%. And my math, using a calculator from the Tax Foundation, if your family makes $250,000 a year using the Clinton figure, taxes would increase for a couple by about $1,100 a year. Under Trump, they would drop $5,900. Now, when you add 3 children to the mix, you are at the break-even point at the Clinton plan and save $3,900 under Trump. And keep in mind, I did not figure itemized deductions. It's just so unique for every individual family. Hard to really do the math, but I tried. Rob?
A good job, and always confusing when you talk about taxes, isn't it? Tomorrow, we'll look at the presidential candidates' plans on immigration.